Welcome to Mechanicky Stuff. Welcome to Mechanicky Stuff. This week's adventure is I'm going to have a try and repair this arc light. It's a skip find, and if you get it going, it'll stop my workshop being like the black hole of bloody Calcutta, because it is stupidly dark in here. I've pulled it in bits, and there's a funny little, I don't know what you call it, LED type of panel like this. Now, I couldn't get one exactly the same, so I think it's one of the Chinese websites. I can't just remember exactly which one. Oh, bloody thumbs today. It's bastard freezing in here. You won't believe it, a few days ago we were on the Sodding Beach. Right, I managed to get this one, which is, you know, screw holes line up. But I'm guessing we would solder two little wires, one onto here and one onto here. Well, that's what I'm going to do anyway. So, I reckon that'll be all right. And then the little cover will go over the top. I think that'll be all right. You can see it's just, we might have to alter the cover a little bit to take those tabs. But I don't think that'll be a bloody million miles off, to be brutally honest. That's the new one. How did the old one fit in? The old one fitted in like that. Ah, right. So the old one actually goes right inside. Yeah, we will do. I'll just get a little pair of side cutters and just see if we can adjust that before we try and solder anything. Right. I'm guessing that's good. Did you get like that? Yeah, of course it's wrong bloody way around, isn't it? Could we? Oh, we can't do it. You know, I'm just wondering whether we do need to. Let's do it anyway. I'll just get a Sharpie, then we can mark it. What the? They're supposed to be bloody fine line. Oh, for fuck's sake. Right. I wonder if we could. Yeah, it's just fucked it. That's near good, is it? I think what we'll do then, we'll stick some glue in that. Actually, we won't. We'll actually weld it with a bloody thing, and then we'll just screw it over the top. Like you see, what you do think you see plastic welding today, did you? Boo, that stinks. I'm not overly convinced it's going to work anyway, but Let that cool. Right, these are the wires. And I don't suppose there's going to be a live and a bloody... I don't suppose it matters, does it? It's only a little LED thingy. Strip him back. Strip him back. Just wondering if you could thread it through, twist it, and then not to get a better. Here we go. Let's try that. It's transformed down to 12 volts, I understand. So look at my new toy. I got 2 of these. Because it's magnetic, isn't it? Like that. Hold your little whatever you've got to do, hold it in. So you can solder it. That'll do perfectly. Right. Bit of solder. Just wondering whether we need to put a bit of Duckshite on it. Have we got any in here? I don't think. Oh, we have. It's really called Fluxite. I don't know, for some reason we always called it Duckshite. I don't think that's going to sound good. Oh, it bloody has. See that? Too cool, so it's all a don't crack. Oh, we've done that. Poke him through there. Like I say, it was a skip find. This little LED was only, I don't know, a couple of quid. So I personally think it's worth the risk to see if we can get it going. I shake like a shitey dough. Again, you don't want to breathe this in. Do it in a well ventilated area. For some reason that one's not melting. There we go. Doesn't seem to want to run. No, the other one did. Well, there we go. Right, just unplug that because it's rather warm. Just let that cool a sec. Quick tidy up. Right. on the back of these, let's call it a light bulb, it needs a product. It's a heat resistant paste. Same as you get in the, the electric fans you put on the top of your wood burning stoves. The little heat generator that goes in there, it's the same stuff that you blather on. Again, from our Chinese friends. If you don't blather this on, it don't work for some reason. Or whether, I don't know, whether it insulates it, whether it, I honestly don't bloody know. Just give me a little squirt of brake cleaner on back. Right. Let's clean it up nicely. We blather some of this on the back of the panel. So I was wondering what stops that going to bloody earth then. Bend the tabs up, maybe. I think what we'll do is when we've stuck it on, we'll just bang a bit of insulation. Here we go. I mean, there was plenty on it before. So, it's got fucking lumps in it. So it's getting plenty on it again. And you electrical minded people probably know what purpose it actually does. But for us mere mortals, absolutely covered it. Right. Hold that one in there temporarily. Oh, they're all slightly different, aren't they? What's that one? Is that a different one? Let's get a washer in it. You just tip these out and see what's what. What's a wee one? Right, I bet you. Well, that's alright. We can do that. So I'm just looking at the cover. There's a couple of cutouts in it. There's squashed it out a bit, isn't it? That squashed it out a bit. So if we put the cover on like, and of course we fucking can't. Silly boy, that's right. Right, we've done that like that. So hopefully we should be able to. I bet these are not long enough now. And does it really bloody need it? I don't know. Is it like a disperser? That's the last one. Now what we'll do, we'll get this last one in. Mark as notches. That's not something going on, is it? So why do they make everything so fucking small? It's ridiculous, isn't it? Small and mean and nasty. That ain't going in. Anyway, before I bugger around any further, stand back and see if it goes boom. Yay! Shit, that's bright. Right. Oh, well happy. Well happy. Can't see a bloody... Oh. That must... Oh, yeah, of course it must be... I bet you that's fucked, isn't it? Let's just try it again. Where are we? No, lucky me. Right, oh yeah, there's residual energy, isn't there, in LEDs? Right, I'm just wondering then. I'm just going to stick some insulation underneath it. A little bit of heat resistance, methinks. I don't know where I put my silicone gun. I think we'll just put a little bit of heat shrink. Have you got any bits cut down? Only wants a knobby under each bit, doesn't it? So we can so a little tidy up. Too sweet here, because if not that one will all go off, won't it? The solid box. You just have to give me 2 minutes. I'm going to see if I can find the silicone gun. Found it. Am I thinking if we put a little blob of silicone on that, there, and then poke in underneath the wire, if we do that on both sides, we'll put a little insulating barrier between the wires and the casing. It's 12 volt. It's not like you're going to get a wallop off it, but I just don't want to bugger the bulb. It's possibly what happened last time. Right, let's smash him. We'll just give him a tiny little blob on top, and each one. Alright, that'll do. Do we want to? I'm guessing the shinier that is, the brighter it will be. Right. Funny little screws are there, aren't they? Whether it's my really great paws or what, I don't know. It's alright that though, isn't it? I'm quite happy with that. Just can't see where the sodium thing is. Oh, Daphne's come in. Been Spectra of Works. My God, they're tiny. Well, just 2 seconds. A tiny screwdriver. Just see if we can enlarge that aluminium hull. That's it. That's lovely. Lovely jubbly. Right, last one. There. Hopefully it should make a bit of a difference. And I say in the workshop we have LEDs above us, but I don't know what it is. I've always struggled in this workshop. Right. Ooh. Shall we give the windscreen a clean while we're at it? Just see if we can get as much light out of it as humanly possible. That's one. And then we'll do the outside. Looks like we've got a runner on the inside. Right. Boom. I'm wondering how if we could slacken those off, we could probably get it to stand up. And it's pointing down, isn't it? I don't know. Just have a look. Not a bad guess, is it? Oh, that's tight. And if you can see on the side, there's just... I'm assuming that, yeah, it does, doesn't it? Adjust it. Oh. No doubt it's spring loaded. Come on, you budget. Right, just give that a little. What's better for us? Is it better in the air or is it better? I don't know really. Anyway, it works. I'll have a bugger around with this and find a good position for it. And hopefully it'll give us a bit more light. Take care. Thank you very much. Bye bye.